Proxio Connect is a global MLS and referral network. But did you know that you could search for properties around the world? Simply click Search for Properties on the left banner, come to the top, select your country of choice, find a property that says public, look through it, read information on it, see that it says courtesy of, send a message if you'd like to the agent, and even click to connect. But note that from here, you can share the property onto your social sites, from LinkedIn to Pinterest, Facebook to Twitter, and even in an email. You can share this with your customers. Let them know that if they need a property around the corner or around the world, you offer them a solution. Help them find their next investment or home. To share this on social sites is just to click through. It opens up a window. You select to share it on your business page. Type a great message out letting them know that you're a global realtor and post to your social sites. What a great resource to position yourself as a global realtor. Another great way to use Proxio